Hello, this is me, Damsa, your tech friend, your host, and you are watching multi-talented YouTuber. Today we are gonna unbox this H34 Bluetooth speaker. Okay, I am very excited because unboxing is my thing, and I am quite excited about these things. So it also works as a power bank and this and that. Okay, it's quite heavy. I have not unboxed this. And yes, we are definitely going to use this thing, and built-in microphone to answer your phone. You can use this. Hello, how are you, my darling? Oh yeah, hell yeah, man. And then wireless connectivity. That's okay, you know. And then for our battery life, at full sound, at half sound, mention something, guys. Okay, I think that's just in the average uses, like full, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. Okay, then wirelessly links, multiple connect, blah 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 and blah. Multiple connections. You know, you can connect compatible speakers with this thing, and then you can rock the party with small speakers. Oh, I'm looking forward to that, but I think we'll not do that today, but next day, someday, you know. You never know. And it also has FM. Who listens to FM nowadays, man? But we have to during emergencies. So without wasting time, let's explore, let's unbox this thing. So come on guys, let's explore. We are here at the unboxing, and then this is the H34 H34. Okay, where is that? Okay, H34 H34 wireless speaker, and then this and that connect with multiple speakers, same size, this and that. I already told you all the features. So come on guys, let's unbox. This is the blue color one, mobile power, so it is a power bank too. So let's open this thing. Okay, what the hell is the plastic? Okay, I don't care about the plastic, I care about the speaker. So I have this H34 over here. See the logo, it's original product, you know. You can buy it at Biradil. Thanks for sponsoring the video. You can just go below and click on the links. You know, click on the links. Order this thing. Okay. Don't be so hyper. Yes, I know. Okay. So this is the mode button. This is the volume up button. This is the volume low button, and then this is the main button. Power. We need power. It's the power crisis time. We need power. We need to charge our phones. Let's do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was nice. Okay. Let me pick up the mic, and then we will hear everything. So let me keep the mic over here, and then we'll turn it on. I'm sorry, that was because of the mic, sorry. Okay, let me once more. Okay, you have heard all the sort of sound, so I'm sorry for the horrible noise coming from my mic now. Okay, it must be stable now. It is stable now. So let's connect with our device, and then we will talk again. So let me connect with my device. So meet you in few seconds. So guys, I'm back again, and then we are gonna connect with this H34 H34. So we see the name over here, H34 H34. Let me focus on that. So let me click on that. So it's pairing. That was something, and it has been connected. So let's play some music. So guys, the connection has been established, and now let's hear to some music. Let's see what this thing can do, what it exactly can do. Yes. So let's start. Let me bring the mic up. So guys, I have just increased the volume to the max, and let's see how it performs in that condition. So now I'm gonna lower the volumes, and let's see how it performs then. So let's do it by playing. Was the audio review and how the product looks. So what else do you get with this? Actually, it took me a while to figure out where other things were. So there is a box beneath. It's quite well packed, and in this box you will get the other things, and the manual was there. So we'll go to that after. So this one is the data cable, quite long, and this thing claims to like charge your phone. So we'll go to that in a moment. And then comes the aux cable, which you can use like to connect with your mobile wire, using a wire. And then this is the manual, this and that, a lot of things over here going on. You can just go on and check them out. I won't waste your time on that. You can just if you buy this thing, you can just go and check that. I am quite sure. So I'm just gonna put it inside. And yes, so we'll need this in a moment, so that we can check that if the power bank thing works in this thing. So we are not gonna check the aux cable. Probably it will work, and it has to work. So nothing else. So let me show you. This is for the USB. This is for the micro SD card. This is for the Chinese charging, and this one is for the mic, and this one is for the aux. Okay, this one is made in China. Hopestar is a Chinese company. And this one is the manual for this thing, and you can go through that too if you buy this. To buy, thanks to Virat Deal, they have sponsored this video, and it's quite a good place to order things exclusively and in a good price range. So you can go on with that. So let me just put it in and check whether it charges the phone or not. So this one's gonna be testing. Okay, so guys, let me show you here. I'm sorry. So it is charging with the speaker. You can see that. Okay, so you can see that this is charging with the speaker, and this is quite a handy feature while like using your phone, and I quite love it. So you can just see it by yourself. This is the cable, this is everything, and you can just go on and check it out. So that's it about this speaker, and this is what you get. And I quite like the audio quality. It's gonna like rock a small party, but not a big one. But they say that you can combine a few of these and create a big party, big mess out of it. So you can go out and explore yourself. I will give you the link from where you can buy these things. So come on guys, let's wrap things. So guys, this Hopestar H34 speaker in my hand performed quite well. We just tested it together, so that's a quite good memory for me. And I showed you all the specifications, everything, and I told pretty much about every feature. I don't know about the bad things about the speaker, because this is the first time I'm unboxing this thing, but this thing works quite well. I am quite impressed with it, and even while playing in the max sound, it worked very smooth, so nothing much to complain about. And the finish is quite good. It's a Hopestar speaker, Chinese company. You didn't expect that much from it, but you know, Chinese companies are good. There are good companies like these ones over there. So nothing much to tell. It's a good speaker. And if you are new on the channel, please do subscribe, because I need that to develop enough and post some giveaways, create a better setup, get better equipment, because I have been making my videos with my phone and some mic, and that's it. And you know how that feels. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel, stay tuned. This is me, Damsa, signing off. Have a good day, have a good life, have a good everything, and you know where to order it from Virat Deal. Thanks for sponsoring the video.